What's up guys, welcome to my first video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks for playing Shelly in Brawl Ball. Now don't worry if you don't have your Shelly maxed out, none of these tricks require a star power and only one requires a gadget. So as you'll see in this first clip, most of the time when I play with Shelly, I use her range to get chip damage on enemies, but whenever I can, I find opportunities to get close to them and using her shotgun ability do lots of damage up close. As you can see, just doing constant chip damage to try to keep enemies back so we can push towards the goal and eventually score. So now as this bull comes charging me, I see an opportunity to line up my super to hit both him and 2 layers of walls, which is lots of value for your super, which is what you want to look for. Now another good thing to know about Shelly's super is that if you hit 3 enemies even from long range, you will get your super back immediately. And if you can hit 2 people from medium range, you should also get your super back right away. As I said earlier, most of the time I just try to do chip damage from long range with Shelly, and by doing this I slowly charge up my super, and that's my goal for most of the time, charging up my super. And once I get my super, I want to save it for when I can get the most value out of it, or for defending. As you'll see, when they come to try to score a goal, I have my super and I can defend really easily by knocking the ball out of their hand with my super. So make sure you work on charging up your super during the match and then finding the best situation to get the most value out of it. So here's a cool trick you can do with Shelly super. If you have the ball and you go to score a goal, if there are enemies blocking your way to the goal, all you have to do is throw the ball and then immediately after super the wall out of the way or the enemies out of the way, and the ball will go right in the goal. Now in this situation it wasn't necessary for me to do this, I just did it to demonstrate the concept, but in this next clip you'll see the enemies are coming out of the goal blocking my way, so I super it over to the side towards the wall, super the wall out of the way, and the ball goes right in the goal. For this final trick, you will need Shelly's gadget. With this trick, you'll be able to move up the field faster while holding the ball. You can do this one of 2 ways. The first way is you can bounce it off the wall and dash forward with her gadget and catch the ball again, moving up the field quicker. The second way to do it is to throw the ball in front of you and then dash forward. This way you won't be able to dash far enough to catch the ball again, but just a little bit of running will catch you up to the ball and you can continue to run down the field and score a goal. The last tip I want to give you is which star power to use for Shelly when playing Brawl Ball. Never play Band-Aid in Brawl Ball because you don't have enough time for it to charge up and really get much value out of it. But with Shell Shock, every time you fire your super at enemies, you get value out of it. The only time you should ever play Band-Aid on Shelly is when you're playing Showdown, or if that's the only star power you have for her. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope it helps you improve playing Shelly in Brawl Ball. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.